Good morning, dear children and parents. Today we are going to learn about numbers. We have learned numbers 1 to 20 in LKG. So now let's learn today to make a bundle of 10. You can use whatever you have at home. Some have straws, some don't have. Some can use toothpicks, matchbox, or maybe old crayons, or even purana jhadu ka stick you can use. And please make sure that your children are helping to make these bundles. The first step is not teaching them any number, but first step is to teach them how to make a bundle. So 1, let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, these are 10 toothpicks. Now together they become a bundle. Together they become a bundle, and we tie them with the rubber band to make a bundle. Like this, your children will help you to make bundles like this. Now when it comes to values, what will happen? You will keep the loose matchsticks and the bundles together, and you will give them a number. Suppose you will tell them, please take out 22. So 22 has 2 bundles of 10 and 2 more sticks. 2 bundles of 10 and 2 more sticks make 22. Fine. Now, for example, take out number 34. So 34 will have 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles of tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more sticks at the bottom. So this is 34. Like that, you will help them to make bundles and then give them numbers, and they will make their own values. The next step is, we always teach them that this is number 10. This is number 10, and 10 becomes a bundle. 10 becomes a bundle. Now what happens? How 11 is formed? We tell them 1 more will make 11, because 1 and 1 is not 11. 1 and 1 is 2. So what happens? This 1 comes, this 10, this 0 doesn't go anywhere, but 1 comes and sit on 0 and makes 11. So 10 and 1 more makes 11. 10 and 1 more makes 11. Similarly, 20, and on this 0 number comes, it becomes 23. So 2, 3 is not 23. 2 bundles of 10 or 20 and 3 more balls become 23. Now the next step is where we come to make the values. Now in many sheets that I had checked earlier, I had checked that they kept on making more balls in one line, more than 10 balls. But I think this was made very clear in LKG that we will not make more than 10 values in one line, because this 10 makes one bundle, this 10 makes another bundle, and 2 more makes 12. Similarly, 1 bundle of 10, 2 bundle of 10, 3 bundle of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls at the bottom makes 36. So never make more than 10 balls or less than 10 balls in one line. Now when we talk about numbers, it is very important to know that first number stands for the bundles and second number is for the balls that are outside the bundle. So 1 bundle of 10 and 2 more makes 12. 2 bundles of 10 and 5 more makes 25. 3 bundles of 10 and 4 more makes 34. So first number is for the bundles and second number is for the balls outside. Now when it comes to making values, now what happens is, what we teach them, that this first number is for the bundles, so they will look at this number, which is number 3, and they will make 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. First thing is that they have to set how many lines of 10s they have to make, means how many bundles of 10 they will make. Now after making these 3 lines, they will count again 10 in the first row. Now this is already 1, so they will start from here. It is 1, so this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And please make sure that your child is recounting it and rechecking it that they are 10 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have rechecked. After that, there is no need to say 11, 12. You just fill up the dots. There is no need to count after this. And then when we finish 3 bundles of 10, then we look at the balls that are at the bottom or outside ball. 5. So we will make these 5 dots at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this makes our 35. Similarly, the next number is 42. So the first number is 4. So again we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots vertically to make the bundles. And then let's make the 10 bundles in the first line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's recheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why this recheck is important? Because if there is one ball less or one ball extra, the whole set of values will become wrong. Now we will not open our mouth and quietly put the dots. No need to count. No need to count and go slow. You can go little fast and finish off all the 4 bundles. Now when your 4 bundles are finished, the next step would be to see how many balls are outside. So 2 balls are outside. 1, 2. So this makes our 42. Now what happens, why we are doing this? Because what happens if we don't make the bundles that are the way I have taught you? Suppose let's start from the way that children are making in some of the videos that I have seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And suddenly I feel like going to the washroom. And I go to washroom. I ask ma'am, may I go to washroom? And I go to washroom. Or somebody asks me to give a pencil or share my eraser. And I give the pencil to him. And then what happens? I'm lost. I have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is going to waste a lot of time when they are actually doing the test, and it makes no sense to count all the balls. So that is why now when the numbers become big, why I have written 63, they have not done, but just to tell you the values have to go till 100. So it becomes very, very tedious to count till 100 when they are making the dots. It's a tiresome job, and the concept should be clear that this 63 has 6 bundles of 10 and 3 balls outside. So advisable would be again 6 vertical dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just fill up the rest of the bundles. And how many balls are outside, or remaining balls are 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 6 bundles of 10 and 3 more makes 63. Now let's go to the next step, where we count the values and write the number in the box. Now some children I saw in the video today, they are counting it as 10, 20. If they count it as 10, 20 and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, absolutely fine, they can write here 25. But I watched in some videos they were doing 10, 20, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they have forgotten how many bundles they counted. They counted 10 bundles or 20 bundles. Similarly, suppose this is the number. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Fine. Absolutely fine. But if it becomes 10, 20, 30, then 1, 2, 3, then child will forget how many bundles he counted. Or the other way is that we all know this is one bundle. So how many bundles of 10? One bundle, two bundle. So we can write first, because first number is for the bundles. So 1, 2 bundles of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5 balls down. So 25. Or if you are doing like this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, okay. But if you are doing it, how many bundles of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles of 4 bundles of 10 and no balls down, so it makes 0. Again, if it is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, you write 33 here, not a problem. But if you find that difficult, then you should say 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles of 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 balls down makes 33. Both ways it is acceptable. Again, 1 bundle of 10, this is for the bundles, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls down, 14. So these were the few tips which I wanted you to keep in mind while teaching numbers. So bye-bye. Happy learning numbers.